The average IRS tax refund just jumped 10.6% this season, now hitting $3,676. This means more cash heading your way before the April 15 deadline. So far, 60.7 million Americans have filed return, nearly 37% of the 164 million expected. Your refund could arrive faster or slower depending on when you file. But here's what the media isn't telling you: these bigger refunds come from overpaid taxes during 2025, not new money in your pocket. That means your paycheck was smaller all year. Garrett Watson from the Tax Foundation explains this refund increase reflects 2025 paycheck withholdings, not adjusting to new tax breaks. Your employer likely withheld too much all year. Here's where it gets interesting. If you want more money in your monthly paycheck instead of waiting for a refund, update your withholdings before April 15. Don't let your money sit idle. Garrett Watson from the Tax Foundation warns that many taxpayers still face surprises due to unadjusted paycheck withholdings affecting your 2026 tax refund timing. The IRS headquarters in Washington, D.C. is processing over 164 million returns this year, but delays hit more than 830,000 filers waiting on paper checks. Watch your refund timeline closely because these paper check delays could leave you waiting weeks longer, impacting your ability to cover rent or bills this spring. President Joe Biden's 2026 tax policies increased some credits, but that means your paycheck withholdings may not match your actual tax liability, risking unexpected balances due.
The Treasury Department is monitoring refund issues closely, promising faster digital processing to prevent your savings from getting stuck in outdated paper check systems.
More than 830,000 taxpayers face delays due to IRS changes in paper check processing, pushing refunds past the usual April 15 deadline. IRS Commissioner Danny Werfel confirmed these delays stem from updated security protocols designed to prevent fraud, but they slow down your refund timing. The Treasury Department building in Washington, D.C. is coordinating with the IRS to streamline refund processing and minimize the impact on your savings. Watch for increased IRS phone scams targeting refund seekers. Scammers are exploiting delays to steal your personal information and drain your bank accounts. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau Director Rohit Chopra urges vigilance, reminding taxpayers to verify IRS communications to protect your retirement and savings. IRS Commissioner Danny Werfel announced a new initiative to speed up refunds for low-income families starting April 1st, aiming to inject nearly $1 billion back into communities quickly. But here is the catch: this fast-track refund program only applies if your adjusted gross income is under $30,000, leaving middle-income earners still waiting longer for their money. The IRS also partnered with TurboTax to offer free filing services for eligible filers, saving up to $400 in preparation fees. But this benefit expires on April 15th, the tax deadline. Meanwhile, the IRS's new fraud detection system flagged over 1.2 million suspicious returns in February alone, preventing an estimated $2.5 billion in fraudulent refunds from hitting your bank accounts. Here's where it gets interesting: if you filed early and used direct deposit, you could see your refund by March 20th, but paper check filers might wait until late April or beyond. Taxpayers who claimed the Earned Income Tax Credit saw an average bump of $1,200 this year, directly boosting your potential refund by that amount. But beware: if your paycheck withholdings weren't adjusted for 2025's tax changes, you might owe the IRS up to $1,500 more this April 15th deadline. If this saved you even one bad financial decision, hit subscribe. Your future self will thank you. Drop a comment. What's your biggest money worry right now?